we go. Oh, okay. Touch it, read it, learn it, teach it, everybody talk about it. Touch it, read it, learn it, teach it, everybody talk about it. Hey, hey, hey. I'm Mr. McCray coming your way with another installment of Math Mentoring. What we have in store for us today is we're going to take the next 5 minutes and talk about your bell work recap. Obviously, this bell work is building on what you're getting in homework and classwork. So skills are fundamental, and we will be using them on our upcoming weekly quiz. So let's get into it. Okay, question 1. X and Y intercept. Find them based on the square root of x plus 4. Now, we've been messing with these square roots, and some of you guys have figured out, that this is what our exponents could look like. But these square roots are the opposite. These square roots look very different. So what do we predict this is going to look like? What do you guys think? Well, let's figure it out. Let's get it in our Y editor. Let's get it in our Y editor. All right? And let's consider the table that's produced. Okay? So get it in our Y editor. I'm gonna get rid of that. And we know, all right, that my x-intercept is the value of x when y is 0. So y is 0 right here. Here's my x-intercept. My y-intercept, the value of y when x is 0. So here we have my y-intercept. So those questions are addressed. All right. When x is -2, y is -1. That's done. When x is 5, y is -2.828. That's done. So what does this look like? Moment of truth. All right. So this is the value that we can expect when we have a square root. Very different from what we talked about earlier with an exponent. Very different. Okay. Copy down what you need, guys, while I get ready to clear this out. Okay, let's get to our next question. Next question. Same idea, but now I want to place a negative in front of that square root. What's my x and y intercept? Okay. Consider that. That won't help us. Let's get rid of that. Let's just throw it right in here, shall we? Okay. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert something. I do second, insert, and I'm going to put the negative in there. Okay, easy peasy. I'm going to get my graph now. Second, graph. All right. X and Y intercept. Let's take a, oh, there they are. Beautiful. Okay. X intercept is my value of x when y is 0. Y intercept my value of y when x is 0. Okay, we see that. All right. And what is this graph going to look like? Guys, this is the mirror image of our last function with one exception. What we ended up doing here is this was actually flipped over and it looked like this. So that's a testable question, guys. When I have this, how does it change the nature of the function? it basically flips it over the x-axis. Okay? All right, get what you need, copy down what you need. All right, before I clear this out. All right, and our final question. 3 raised to the x power. Find the value of x when, or value of y when x is 3. Okay? Okay? I know. I kind of keep it basic. I want you guys to understand these steps behind this. Okay, so what is it? X raised to 3 raised to the x power. This is the picture when x is 3, y is 27. Guys, easy peasy. All right, so hopefully when these questions recirculate on our weekly exam, you guys will knock it out of the park. And that weekly exam, some of us are getting you guys are getting it, man. You're getting it. You're coming in on Mondays and you're coming in on Tuesdays and you're watching these videos and you're saying, Mr. McCray, I kind of get it. Can you explain it again? I love it when I see that. I love it. I love it. But all of us are not there yet. We can get there. And when we get there, it's going to be all good. Because like I said, passing that region exam the first time is all a function of you guys doing what I ask you to do and making it happen. All right, my friends, remember 30 minutes of study a day keeps bad grades away. Internalize the skills, practice the skills, and you'll be all good.